powered by a 3.2-liter V6 engine. With a 5-speed automatic transmission, this vehicle gets up to 26 miles per gallon. This vehicle features power steering, power door locks, and 4-wheel drive. Safety features include fog lights, traction control, and 4-wheel ABS. Comfort and convenience features include heated windshield, memory seats, and heated power mirrors. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.